What's your morning routine? Turn on the lights? Splash water on your face? Sip on a cup of tea? Reply to that email. Our utilities team help make all that happen. But we don't just help you start your day. We're with you all the way through. There's over 2,000 of us in the Downer Utilities team, helping to keep your water running, lights on, and phones connected. As a leading utilities provider in New Zealand, we are a partner of choice for cities, rural communities, and industries. Our energy team work with some of the biggest energy providers, building and maintaining an extensive network across the country. We're a leading streetlight installation and maintenance contractor and one of New Zealand's largest and most experienced providers in the renewable energy sectors. Using in-house software applications that allow for real-time reporting, our team gets the job done safely and efficiently. All the while, working hard to ensure Kiwis have access to the essential energy services they need. We provide water services to a quarter of New Zealanders. We're there for our customers across the full asset lifecycle, right from developing the concept through to design, construction, commissioning, and whole-of-life support. From irrigation schemes stretching hundreds of kilometres to water and wastewater treatment plants, our people have the knowledge to deliver high-performance water infrastructure. With data use increasing by more than 40% every year, people rely on mobile networks to stay connected, and we're helping to do just that. We design, build, install, and maintain telecommunications networks for our customers, from cities to rural communities, and from the Chatham Islands to Antarctica. Our extensive team of experts are out there delivering mobile and broadband coverage to keep communities connected. Our automation team uses technology to keep people safe and connected, providing electrical, instrumentation, telemetry, and data analytics services to all of Downer's utilities customers. And when a weather crisis hits, our people are always ready to ensure your services stay up and running. Our teams are out there every day, making sure you get the utility services you need. We know you've got busy lives, so leave the not-so-small stuff to us.